Hello and welcome to this video in which I will be talking about the site administration. Well, let me remind you at the beginning that this site administration concerns the whole system. It does not concern only one course, but when you set it for all the courses, etc. So I will start with the general. General site administration is or enables you to either create competencies by which you can evaluate the progress of the learners. You can create them from scratch, or you can import some already existing competencies. You can also create the badges. You can configure them. But badges are interesting because that's how the learners know that they have completed part of the course. H5P are open source applications in which you can design a lot of activities, and with this you obviously you manage all the H5P content types. Certificate is that after the end of the course, if the student has scored the passing mark, so he or she can receive a certificate, and here you design your certificate. Language is you know that Moodle is a multilingual platform, and then you can either leave the students choose between languages, or you can impose a kind of language if that is your policy. With the appearance, you can either use some themes. There are themes that are available in Moodle's website. So with the users, you can browse the list of users. You can see how many participants you have, where they are from, etc., etc. Which classes are they enrolled, in which they are enrolled. You can also add one user, just like here, or you can add a bulk of users. So you put them, for example, in Excel, and then you put their credentials there, and you import everything. You upload it to the platform so that they can have usernames and passwords. With the courses, you can manage the courses. Obviously, you can add category or add a new course. The difference between a category and a new course is that with a category, you can have many courses within one category. Then you can either restore courses if you have some backups, upload courses if you are reusing some of the courses. Default settings, you can decide how we are going to measure that a learner has finished his or her course. Then the backups, you can back up your courses, and this is a good practice. Whenever you back it up, because you never know what's going to happen to your server, what's going to happen to your platform. Grades, that you set the grades and the scales, and you set also the reports, how you want Moodle to generate the report of grades. If there are, for example, if you have one in your subject, you have one element or one item which is very important, you can give it more weight in your grading report, etc. So the plugins, as you know, Moodle is an open source platform, and therefore it accepts a lot of plugins. So here we have just very few, but in other Moodles you can find all the activities that we run, I mean forum, etc., because they are part of the package. Or you can add others, just like hot potatoes, for example, for those who are teaching languages. If you develop something outside the platform, you can still upload it through the plugins. Reports is when you want to have your reports, what kind of logs you want to have, what kind of reporting, and whether there are analytics, etc. So that you want to get to know how the whole group are, how the members of the group are progressing throughout their learning. Thank you for watching.